To access certain games on Roblox, you may need to update your content maturity setting. If you're unable to join a game due to a lock icon next to the Join button, you can resolve this issue by adjusting your settings. Start by logging into your account on Roblox.com. Then navigate to the top right corner and select the gear icon, which will take you to the settings page. From there, click on Privacy and Content Maturity, and then select Content Maturity. You can then adjust your content maturity setting to a level that you're comfortable with. The most unrestricted setting is labeled as Restricted, which will allow you to access previously restricted games. Once you've made the change, your settings will be saved automatically. If you're prompted to ask a parent for permission, additional guidance is available. After updating your content maturity setting, you should be able to join the game that was previously inaccessible, as the lock icon will no longer be displayed.